You, you have to participate in the entire Mass. You go to Japan, people are there, well dressed, of course. You don't see their skin, only hands, legs also you don't see because they wear socks and shoes. Well dressed, ladies or gentlemen. And they are there 10 to 15 minutes in the church. Priests are there in the sacristy. 5 minutes before, total silence, nobody talks, no priest talks in the sacristy. And in the church, are there Catholics? Very few Catholics. Rest all either Shintos, it is a religion of Japan, or Buddhists. And how do we know? How do we know priests? Who is a Catholic and who is not a Catholic? Catholics receive communion. They don't receive in tongue, in hand. And the Shintos and Buddhists come and they bow their head. So priest has to lay his hands on them and bless them. With such reverence in Japan, people participate in the Mass. I was really totally, what shall I say, taken aback that such reverence is showed. But our people here come with any type of dress. Men come with printed t-shirts. Women's dress, less we talk is better. Church is not, my dear, a fashion ground. Neither for your gold, nor for your clothes, nor for your beauty, not your skin color. Church, we come as a community to worship God. Otherwise, please don't come. God doesn't need you. God doesn't need me. We need God. Therefore, we must come in His presence with reverence. Maybe simple clothes, clean clothes, come. And then, after taking part in this Eucharistic celebration, we receive the same Jesus. There should not be a division among us. And that's what Paul reminds the Corinthians. I heard there is a division among you.